Hello guys, welcome back to the shed. So today I need to do some work in my kitchen and I bought this BOSCH Multi Tool. So we'll see how this handles. I was going to buy a professional one, but this was what they had in the store. I saved like 30 bucks or something like that. Probably, well, I'm sure this is an inferior product, but it's probably more than enough for what I want. Okay, so let's unpack it and see what's in the box. Okay, so this is the tool itself. It actually looks pretty beefy. With, I don't know, some rest of glue, or probably this is from, yeah, I don't know. It's probably from being in the box, but it has strange coloration in here. Okay, but oh, in here as well. Yeah. Oh, really beefy. Little. It's more heavier than I thought. So this is the usual trash. Cords. Okay, and okay. So, brochure about the Starlock system, the pads, and what I'm looking for. Okay, so the saw. This is what I'm going to use today for my kitchen. Okay, it's really beefy, really heavy. Probably I would like it to be a little bit smaller because I have small hands. Probably in American or German terms, because you guys are all big. My hand is like a young teenager or something like that. But yeah, other than that, looks pretty cool. I've opted for the corded one because well, I didn't buy into cordless tools yet. I'm doing my research. I think I already decided which tool I'm going for, and it's going to be Milwaukee, especially because of the ratchets. Because I think from what I've been seeing, they seem to be the most compact and easy to use wrenches. So I'll start building my M12 tool lineup in a couple of months probably. Other than that, I don't want to have multiple batteries and multiple systems and all of that. Okay, if I'm not going to buy a battery tool that is for the specific brand and type that I'm going to choose, I'll just buy a corded one. Okay, because if not, it's always a hassle. The batteries, I've had a couple of battery tools and I've sold all of them because when I needed, the battery was not working, or I needed to charge it, and it's not just feasible for someone that picks up a tool once in a year. So I will use this today, and I'll probably use it next year. Okay, so I cannot have a battery just for this Bosch product that I have. Okay. If I have an whole ecosystem of tools, then yes, because I'm almost every week I'm using tools. Okay. Um, so if I have always a charged 12-volt battery or 18-volt battery for that particular system, it's okay. There's no lag. I don't need to wait for anything to charge. I know the battery is fine because I just used it last week. So this is why I've chosen this. Well, it was what was available on the store, to be honest, because I was going for the professional one. But that's why I've chose Bosch. Okay, corded instead of battery powered one. Okay, so I'll just put the saw and I'll start with the work and see how it goes. Okay, so the saw is installed, pretty easy. Just unlock this bolt, put the saw in and lock it. The key is in here. I'm not sure about the placement. Don't know if it is the best way to save this, but well, at least you won't lose it because it will be always with the tool. Since I'm not working outside my house, this is to be used in house. I'm not sure if I will leave this here or if I'll take it away. It looks like an 8mm X, so it's nothing fancy or special. So I'll probably just remove it. But this is the key. Just unlock it, put the blade in and lock it again, and you're good to go. Okay guys, so I'm trying to cut, as you can see, this piece of wood and this as well. So far I've made this cut right here. I didn't finish it and I can already see damage to the blade. So the tool itself seems fine, but not sure if the blade will take it. Okay guys, so this is how it's going. I'm not sure if I will need to remove all of this or not, so for the time being I'm leaving it like this. Now I'm starting to cut this one up, and then I will probably have to deal with this one. I'm not sure. Okay, so what is happening right now is that this is really an issue, okay, and in this part also a little bit, okay. So what I will do, I will try to remove this with a Dremel, or at least if not remove completely, try to flatten it as much as possible. This one and this one I don't want to flatten it, but I want to make it smaller. Then I will move from there and I will cut this again with with the multi-tool. But it was kind of fast. It, it, it is, I'm not sure if it is the right tool for this, but it's the right tool for me because I wanted something that would progress slowly in order to keep control of the cuts all the time. I didn't want to keep hitting the stone. I didn't yet, so mission accomplished until now. Okay, just for you to see that I'm going at it with a Dremel. This bit was not like this. Okay, this is an old bit and it's worn out. So well, I'm doing it and it's working slowly but surely. It's working. Okay, so the bit is now completely gone, but as you can see, this is really smooth, and in here it's also pretty good. So I'll crack on with the multi-tool and see how I'm at. Okay, I'm halfway through it. Seems good. I really like the tool, really easy to use. Doesn't make your arm numb or anything like that. Super easy to control. For me, it's okay. Good tool. Now, I'm going to cut this part as well, so that I have a space in here for the oven to breathe, so that it's not really tight, because the new oven, the old one was really small, but the new one is really big, and I don't want to have a lot of heat in here, because heat and electronics, it's always a bad combination. So I'll use the same tool just to see if it cuts this fast or not. I'm expecting it to be fast, because this is not I don't think this is wood. I think this is I'm not sure how to say it, but chips of wood glued together. Let's see. Okay, job done. And she handled it pretty good. Even the blade is fine. All the teeth are okay. I was stressing a little bit, but it was just I don't know, probably silicone or something like that. There's some color, this decoloration or color marks or whatever, but it's still cutting. So I'm really pleased with it. Will this be okay for a do-it-yourselfer? Yeah, it's really good. Feels good in the hands. Doesn't try to run away. You can hold it for a long time, and you won't feel numb or anything like that. Also, it's even though it's a little bit big for my hand, I can hold it with just one hand. So overall, yeah, I say it's okay for a home user to buy this one. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed it. If not, just let me know why not. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.